Happy morning, students. I'm very glad to meet you all through this video. This is your English class. In today's class, we are going to learn about phrasal verbs. Okay, what is meant by phrasal verb? A phrasal verb is a word that is made up of a main verb together with an adverb or a preposition, or sometimes both together. This phrasal verb gives the meaning which is different from the meaning of main verb. Clear, students? Actually, phrasal verb is a combination of words. Okay? In this phrasal verb, there will be a main verb along with an adverb or a preposition. And the meaning of phrasal verb will be very different from the meaning of the verb in that phrasal verb. Clear? Let's have an example. Okay? Look down. Look down is a phrasal verb. Let's consider the sentence. She has always looked down on me. Here, look down doesn't mean that she is looking down from a higher place. Look down means she is thinking that she is better than someone. Clear? Let's look at another example. Looked for. He looked for the silk cloth and draped it on the chair. In this, looked for is a phrasal verb, and it is a combination of the verb look and the preposition for. And looked for means to search for something. Here it means that he is searching for the silk cloth. Clear, ma? Now look at this. Give away. Give away is a phrasal verb. In the sentence, he had to give away most of his mangoes to the boys who had worked for him. Give away is a combination of the verb give and adverb away. Give away means donate. Now, take your book, open page number 29. At the bottom of the page, they have given an exercise for you to do, right? Can you see? Shall we do it? Read each sentence, underline the phrasal verb and write its meaning in the blank provided. The first question is, please hold on while I check the papers. In this, which is the phrasal verb? Hold on. Hold on is a phrasal verb. So, you have to underline the word hold on. The second question, can you find out the solution to this sum? In this, which is the phrasal verb? Find out. Find out is the phrasal verb. So, you have to underline find out. The third question, my flight will take off in another 10 minutes. In this, which is the phrasal verb? Take off. So, what you have to do? You have to underline the word take off. The fourth question, she cheered up after I spoke to her. In this, which is the phrasal verb? Cheered up. The last question, look out, there is a pothole in front of you. In this, which is the phrasal verb? Look out. So, you have to underline. And they have also asked you to write its meaning, right? Now, what is the meaning of hold on in the first question? Hold on means wait or stop. In the second question, which was the phrasal verb? Find out, right? So, what is the meaning of find out? Find out means discover. And in the third question, what was the phrasal verb? Take off. So, what is the meaning of take off? Take off means start flying. And in the fourth question, the phrasal verb was cheered up. And the meaning of cheered up is to become happy or to make someone happy. And in the last one, the phrasal verb was look out. And look out means watch it, or it is like the warning given to someone to be careful. Clear, students? Hope you all have understood phrasal verbs. Now we are going to learn about paragraph writing. A paragraph is actually a group of sentences which talk about or describe someone or something. This means actually a paragraph consists of more than 2 sentences. There will be many sentences in a paragraph. And a paragraph talks about one thing or one person. Clear? And there are some things to be remembered while writing a paragraph. What are all the things to be remembered? The opening sentence should introduce the topic of the paragraph. Opening sentence means nothing but the starting of the sentence. The first sentence, the very first sentence in the paragraph should say something about the topic of the paragraph. Clear? And the second point is the body of the paragraph. The body of the paragraph should contain 2 or more sentences, and these sentences are called supporting sentences. How the first sentence is called the opening sentence? Likewise, the body of the paragraph, that means the next upcoming sentences are called supporting sentences, and it tells us more about the topic. Whatever we have to describe about the topic comes under the supporting sentences. And the last sentence is called the closing sentence, and it summarizes the key points of the paragraph. The last sentence tells about the important things about this paragraph. It can be compared to the final touches. Whatever the final touch we have to give about the paragraph or about the topic of the paragraph, we can include it in the last sentence. Clear, students? Now take your book, page number 32. They have given, read this sample paragraph. They have given a box, and the title of the topic, the title of the paragraph is My Best Friend. So the title is My Best Friend. So just see how is the opening sentence. Amita is my best friend. So they have given something, they have introduced about the topic. Amita is my best friend. And the body of the paragraph starts. They have given all the additional informations. Let's read it. She is tall and has curly hair. Both of us study in the same school and are in the same class. She is helpful. She lives close to my house. We play together in the evenings. And this is the last sentence. I like Amita a lot and I am happy that she is my best friend. This is the closing sentence, and this is the final touch the writer has given to this paragraph. Clear? This is how a paragraph should be. This is an example given to you. And in the same page, at the end, they have given an exercise for you to do. Write a paragraph on a family function. Use the words in the box as hints. What are all the words they have given? Wedding, beautiful clothes, lights, guests, food, music, bride and groom looking beautiful or dressed in, cousins, relatives. So, Using these words in the box, you have to write a paragraph, and the title of the paragraph is Family Function. Okay? So hope you can write this paragraph on your own. Hope you have understood about phrasal verb and paragraph writing. Meet you in the next video. Thank you, students.